the skill level that's in front of him.
He's experienced. He's gonna go for So obviously mixed. Thought he was just gonna stay there.
I'm surprised.
Isang madali ang boxing update sa kakatapos lang na laban sa Amerika. Napalaban nga pala ang buhulanong si Mark Magnifico Magsayo sa Long Beach, California. At kinaharap nito ang pinakamalakas na boksingero ng bansang Ecuador na si Brian Mercado. At ito ay 6 na round ng bakbakan sa Super Featherweight Division.
Excited to be calling these fights, man. I'm excited to watch. And he said, hey, I got...
Sa unang batingaw ng kampana ay kalmado lang si Magnifico. Pero nainip ito at pinatihaya ang kalaban sa dalawang pagkakataon.
Professional fights.
Yeah, and we saw that right at the beginning, right where Mercado hit him with...
I'm liking what I see already. I saw Lee Knight, but I want to give everybody my skills to the world once again.
Up right there from Magsayo, and that's what we talked about in the dress reach. I can lunge in, and he's...
I agree with you. Don't get caught extending. Counter puncher could sit down to make a mistake. He needs to let his hands. He has to let it go. Let your hands go. You're in a fight. You're looking at the stars.
You almost got him there with that. He's ready. I mean, let's remember and let's remind people that Brian November 30th against Carmel Moten, the weight limit. Moten, obviously a great prospect. He said, no, I can't fight this guy 15.
It's with these Mayweather fighters. They seem to come over. That's part of their game plan. And even the advice they give people.
Away with it, and they're waiting. I guess Brian said, nope, I'm not taking the fight. And here he is, Sayo, like you mentioned, an experienced fighter, speed, power, he's got it. He's letting his hands go, beautiful butt.
Cutting the ring off right now. He just he knows what's in front of him. The skill level that's in front of him. There you go.
Cover a little bit, but Magsayo, he's experienced. He's gonna go for
There he goes again. I'm looking at Brandon.
They're probably talking about the Melpies that he spent. Magsayo's a great finisher, but hey, Ray Vargas, those are the only 2 defeats. So obviously mixed.
Give him his count. Give him his 10 count. Let him see. Let him see what he has.
Mercado got up. I thought he was just gonna stay.
Nakaligtas man si Mercado sa unang round, pero hindi na ito nakaligtas sa round 2 na tinapos ni Magsayo ang laban ng walang galos dito sa round 2 na pinabagsak sa 4 na pagkakataon ng kalaban na pinanalo ang laban sa isang knockout sa round 2.